Changing the zoom level of a resource. Web-based applications support the option to use Ctrl+ to zoom in and Ctrl- to zoom out. Software applications may also support the use of Ctrl+. For example, here in Microsoft Word, I'm also able to use Ctrl+ to zoom in and Ctrl- to zoom out. Other software applications may not support the use of Ctrl+. In this case, you'll want to look for the settings or possibly a dedicated menu option that says View. When you select View, you should see an option to zoom and change the zoom level to zoom out on the page if you would like, or to zoom in on the page to get to the target of 200% that is considered accessible.